I'm Mirela Alistar. I'm an assistant professor at the Department of Computer Science, Atlas Institute, and Biomedical Engineering. I run a lab called the Living Matter Lab. In our lab, we work with biology, computer engineering, and microfluidics. So the Living Matter Lab focuses on personalized healthcare. We develop devices, methods, and technologies to help people interact with their own health. Our main project right now is developing new devices called digital micro-fluidic biochips. Biochips are small electronic devices. We use biochips to work with bacteriophages. These are extremely small organisms that are the natural enemies of bacteria. This technology has a great potential in addressing the antimicrobial resistance problem, the fact that bacteria has started developing resistance to antibiotics. Practically each bacteria has its own bacteriophage that can infect it and destroy it in 30 minutes.
My name is Drace Yalpin. I'm a first-year PhD student studying computer science, working in the Living Matter Lab.
My name is Elise Niehaus. I'm a sophomore here at CU Boulder in the Chemical and Biological Engineering program. I'm a research assistant here at the Living Matter Lab, and basically my tasks in the lab are growing phages, which are viruses, putting viruses and bacteria together to see how they interact, and also to work with what we call biochips and eventually move what we do here in the lab onto those biochips so that a computer can do it for us.
So to perform all these protocols, we're going to use what's called a digital microfluidics device. Instead of using traditional laboratory techniques, such as a pipette that has an array of electrodes that can be used to manipulate liquids. This will be coupled with a software, so that way we can do everything with a click of a button.
The long-term goal of the project is to build a system that can deliver personalized phage care for people. For example, if accidentally you get infected these days with an antibiotic-resistant bacteria, the only option is to fly to a specialized clinic where a team of researchers will work day and night to find the right phage cocktail. With biochips, we hope to unlock phage therapy and make it more accessible to people. We are building a system that is portable, that can be used at home, and doesn't require specialized knowledge to be used. Another project we're developing is around bioplastics. We are inventing new technologies and methods to make plastics at home, plastics that are biodegradable, that are sustainable and environmentally friendly.
My name is Fiona Bell, and I am a first-year PhD student in the Living Matter Lab. My research is biodegradable bioplastics made up of three main ingredients. These three ingredients are not only incredibly accessible, but they're cheap, edible, and biodegradable. So this algae-based bioplastic acts very similar to other plastics. Think of like a Ziploc bag or a grocery store bag. It's flexible, it's durable, and can be used for a number of applications. It can be used to replace fossil fuel-based plastics in the food packaging industry. It could be used in the textile industry to create a more sustainable biodegradable clothing. It could be used in prosthetics. The world's your oyster with this material.
Our research is interdisciplinary, impactful, and always fun. However, one thing that sets us apart is that we combine technology with art. We are closely collaborating with the art department on campus, as well as with museums and other venues in town that help us exhibit our work. We are looking for students with a background in algorithms, embedded systems, and computer-aided design. The students in our lab are always curious and willing to bridge disciplines. Even if they have a background in computing, for example, they work together with the other students to learn the basic microbiology procedures. Not being afraid to learn microbiology or chemistry or mechanics if you have a computing background is crucial. In our lab, we provide all the needed support to help students bridge across disciplines.